Are you looking for a way to earn some extra money because you're sick of working 9 to 5? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to give you access to a ridiculously simple $350 an hour Google method today, so you can start earning money online. That's right, all you need is a computer and an internet connection, no specialized knowledge or abilities. Hey there, we're back again with another video, and in this video, we're going to show you how you can make money online using a simple Google method that can earn you up to $350 per hour. This method is perfect for beginners who are looking to dip their toes into the world of online income. But before we begin, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below to share how you use our videos to establish financial stability while relaxing at home. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses looking to succeed. With so much competition out there, it's becoming increasingly important to have high-quality, optimized content that can attract more visitors to your website, build trust with your audience, and ultimately increase your revenue. One of the best ways to achieve this is through the use of AI technology. Not only is AI a great platform to promote an affiliate, but it's also a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their online presence by providing high-quality, optimized content. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making money online with the Google method. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, you'll find valuable tips and strategies that will help you succeed in the world of online business. Step 1. Expand your horizons. Before we dive into the Google method, let's talk about the importance of expanding your horizons. While the internet may seem like a vast and overwhelming place, it's actually full of opportunities for those who are willing to explore beyond their comfort zone. One way to expand your horizons is by targeting potential customers around the world. By tapping into different markets and audiences, you can access a way larger audience and more opportunities to make money online. Plus, connecting with people from different cultures and backgrounds can be a really enriching experience. So don't just limit yourself to one market or audience. Explore new possibilities and dive into the world of online business beyond your comfort zone. With a little bit of research and some elbow grease, you can achieve amazing things and build a successful online business that reaches people all over the world. Step 2. Become an affiliate for GoCharlie.ai. Before you start worrying, let me tell you that the process of becoming an affiliate is super easy and can be done within minutes. First off, you'll need to head over to the GoCharlie.ai website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you're there, you'll see a link that says Become an Affiliate. Go ahead and click on that link. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you can learn more about the affiliate program and its benefits. Take a moment to read through this information and make sure that it's something you're interested in. Assuming you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on the Sign Up Now button. This will take you to the page where you can create an account. Then, all you have to do is fill in your personal details, such as your name and email address, and create a password for your account. You'll also need to provide some information about how you plan to promote GoCharlie.ai, such as through social media or email marketing. Once you filled in all the necessary information, click on the Submit button, and that's it. You're now officially a GoCharlie.ai affiliate. Step 3. Tracking your earnings. You'll then receive an email from the GoCharlie.ai team with more information on how to access your affiliate dashboard and track your earnings. From there, you can start promoting GoCharlie.ai to businesses and start earning some serious cash. To do this, you will use your unique affiliate link. This link is how GoCharlie.ai will track your referrals and ultimately pay you your commission. To find your affiliate link, log into your affiliate dashboard and look for the Marketing Materials section. Here, you'll see a variety of promotional materials that you can use to promote GoCharlie.ai, including banners and logos. To copy your affiliate link, simply click on the Get Affiliate Link button. This will generate your unique link, which you can then copy and paste wherever you'd like to promote GoCharlie.ai. Step 4. Use Google Trends to find profitable niches. Now that you've signed up for the GoCharlie.ai affiliate program, it's time to find profitable niches that you can target with your affiliate link. One tool that can help you with this is Google Trends. Google Trends is a free tool that shows you how often a particular search term is entered into Google Search's engine over a given period of time. By using Google Trends, you can find profitable niches that are currently trending and have high search volume. To use Google Trends, simply enter a keyword related to your niche in a search bar. You'll then see a graph that shows the popularity of that keyword over time. You can also see related topics and queries that are currently trending in your niche. Step 5. Create SEO-optimized content. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to create an SEO-optimized content that will attract visitors to your website and ultimately convert them into customers. This is where GoCharlie.ai comes in. GoCharlie.ai provides SEO-oriented content that's tailored to each business's specific needs and goals. This means that businesses can get content that's optimized to attract the right visitors to their website and ultimately convert them into customers. Step 6. Using Google to translate local business keywords. The beauty of this method is that you're not limited to a specific country or language. By broadening your search to different countries and languages, you can increase your chances of finding potential customers who are in need of GoCharlie.ai. To get started, you'll need to use Google's translation tool to translate local business keywords from English to Spanish or any other language, depending on your target market. For example, if you're targeting customers in Spain, you could translate keywords such as online scheduling software into the Spanish equivalent. Once you have a list of translated keywords, you can use them to search for potential customers using Google. Step 7. Find Spanish businesses that aren't ranking well on Google. Once you have translated your keywords into Spanish, it's time to put them to the test on Google.es, which is the Spanish version of Google. By searching for these keywords, you might discover that some Spanish-speaking businesses are not ranking high in search engine result pages. This presents a fantastic opportunity for you to introduce them to GoCharlie.ai's platform and help them improve their online presence. As an affiliate of GoCharlie.ai, you can earn a commission by referring businesses to the platform. By reaching out to these businesses and explaining how GoCharlie.ai's SEO-oriented content can help them attract more visitors to their website and ultimately convert them into customers, you can help them achieve their goals while also earning money through the affiliate program. Step 8. Analyze and compare your competitors. After finding businesses that aren't ranking well on Google, it's time to analyze and compare your competitors. You need to understand what they're doing wrong and what you can do better. Look at their websites, social media profiles, and other online platforms, and try to identify areas where they are lacking. You can use tools such as Ahrefs or SEMrush to help you with comparator analysis. Step 9. Find their contact details or email at the bottom of the website. So let's say you found a gym in Malaga that's not ranking high in search engine result pages. You could reach out to the business owner and offer to help them improve their online presence by using GoCharlie.ai's platform. You could explain how the platform can create a high-quality optimized content that is tailored to their specific needs and goals. By doing this, you'll not only help the business owner attract more customers, but you'll also earn a commission through the GoCharlie.ai affiliate program. And that's it, guys. We hope this video has given you great insight into how easy it is to make $350 an hour through the Google method for beginners to start making money online. Remember, it's all about taking action and putting in the work. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, the sky's the limit. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And click on the screen now to watch more of our videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.